Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, there is a big news. 8 habits of 8.5, 8 band achiever actually. One of my students, he proved himself second time. In this attempt in general training IELTS from Indian Punjab, he got 8.5 band in listening, 8.5 band in reading, 7.5 band in writing and 7 band in speaking. This is truly remarkable, and overall band score is 8. You can see his TRF as well, and today I'm going to interview him. I'm going to ask him several questions, and let's try to dig the reason of 8 band and 8.5, 8.5, 7.5 and 7. So I'm going to call Tanvir Singh and he's going to tell us how he achieved this band score. Let's just give him a call.
Hello.
Hello, good evening and Sat Shri Akal, Tanvir.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Sat Shri Akal.
Okay, how are you?
Yeah, I am quite well. What about you?
Quite good. Thank you very much. Wow, Tanvir, it's truly remarkable. You impressed me and my students with 2 8.5 bands, 1 7.5 and 1 7. This is amazing, and overall 8 band. So will you please give your introduction first and then I ask you questions about that.
Yeah, sure, sir. Yeah, myself Tanvir Singh, and I'm currently working as a software professional at Gurgaon. My hometown is in Ludhiana district, and I belong to a small village near Sanewal, that is village Bilga. And I want to go to Canada in near future. I have got the invite from Canadian government, and I'm about to submit my application for that.
Wow.
So that is the only reason I gave this examination.
Okay, that's fantastic. I mean, you gave this exam second time, huh?
Yeah.
Right.
The first time I gave this examination, I managed to score 9 in reading, 8.5 in listening, and 7 both in writing and speaking.
Okay.
But this time around, I managed to score 7.5 in writing. I was hoping to get an 8, but no regrets. I still got a good score.
Okay, fantastic.
I just went through the sample papers. I just solved 3 or 4 Cambridge listening tests.
Okay.
And I managed to score around 37 to 39 in all of those.
All right.
So I was quite confident that this time around I will be getting at least 8.5 in listening.
Good.
And I am glad that I managed to achieve it, yeah.
Okay, that's fantastic. And by the way, how was the test? Listening test, was it difficult or easy, or was the audio slow or fast in actual IELTS test?
Well, if I compare the IELTS that I had given previously and this one, I would say that this time the listening module was quite easy.
Okay, that's great. All right.
Yeah,
yes, please.
The recording was not very fast, it was rather slow.
Okay.
So it was very easy to comprehend the information. Yeah, but this time there is one change that they have done. So their intention is to actually reduce the scores of people in the first section.
Okay.
So they are not giving any example.
Okay.
In the starting.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard about
so this
that.
is only difficult. Yeah, this is the only thing that I found to be quite difficult. But other than that, listening was quite easy.
Okay, that's fantastic. So let's talk about reading. You got 8.5 in reading as well. So what sort of techniques or secret tips you used to achieve that?
As I mentioned in my earlier audio also, that to be a good reader, you need to have a wide range of vocabulary.
Okay.
And this time around, I think it was only my wide range of vocabulary. It was quite helpful, and I managed to go through all the 3 passages in just 45 minutes.
All right,
So
that's
I was
wonderful.
free after I was free after 50 minutes.
My goodness, people are always blaming that in reading we don't have enough time, and you finished in 45 minutes and after 50 minutes you are free. Amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, I was actually asking them to just give me permission to go to the washroom.
Okay.
But since it was the last 10 minutes of the exam, so they didn't allow me.
Okay, okay. All right, all right. So I think because of washroom thing you finished it early, huh?
Yeah, yeah, perhaps you can say that.
Okay, okay, that's lovely. So by the way, I mean, how did you improve your reading up to this level that you got 8.5 band and in 45 minutes almost you finished all the tests? How did you improve your reading this much?
Well, the most important thing that I want to I want to convey a message to people that you need to be a good reader. So for that, you need to read newspapers continuously.
Okay,
You need to adopt that habit
all
of
right.
reading newspapers and magazines.
Okay,
If that is not convenient, people can also they can read articles on internet,
okay,
whether it can be on sports or any it can be in any field. It
right.
can be related to technology, sports, as per as their hobby.
Okay,
So that way you can improve your reading. You
fantastic.
need not go through a lot of difficult topics or difficult articles. Just go through those articles which relate to your hobby.
Okay,
This is the
okay.
best method.
Fantastic. That's very good. And what about writing? I mean, you got 7.5 this time, and I think last time you got 7 band in writing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Actually, I am improving every time. 6.5, 7 and 7.5.
Okay. So how did you improve from 6.5 to 7.5?
This time I worked really hard towards writing. Actually, my target was scoring an 8 this time in writing.
Mm-hmm.
My target was 8 because a lot of people struggle with writing, and people also experience that they are not able to finish their writing on time.
Okay.
Yeah, so there is also one hidden myth that the Cambridge people or the IDP and British Council people are not awarding an 8, 7 in writing,
Right.
but that is a complete myth.
Okay, okay, okay.
So
All right.
yeah, you should the one thing that people need to understand is that if you want a high score in writing, you just need to provide the examiner only those things that they are looking for.
Good.
Yeah, so they are not actually, they don't want to see people writing 350, 400, 450 words. The examiners don't have the luxury of this much of time to check and go through these answer sheets.
Okay,
So
okay.
they want just to the point answers, but you need to actually respond to the question pretty well, and also need to structure your essay well.
All right, all right. So by the way, how did you do that? I mean, what sort of sentence structure did you use, vocabulary and all that?
Yeah, the one thing that I was missing in my last writing test was giving the examiner a wide range of structures.
Okay.
So this time my strategy was to use simple, compound, complex, to have comparisons in my essay, and also to give examples which are actually very descriptive in language.
Okay, okay. That's amazing.
Yeah. So also start your sentences with the gerunds,
Mm-hmm.
and you might use also modal verbs in your written language.
Okay,
So
okay.
these things actually give you a higher band score because they are looking for a wide range of structures in your writing,
All
and
right.
it should be quite smooth.
Okay, okay. So,
Yeah, earlier earlier I
please.
used to make one mistake of writing very, very complex sentences that used to one sentence used to carry around 25 to 30 words.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but this time I reduced those numbers, and my sentence used to be around 13 to 15 words.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah. You can also use some time references such as until and unless. You can use while, although, even though. So
Mm-hmm.
you make complex structure using these words.
All
You can
right.
use whether or, yeah.
Okay, this is amazing. So, I mean, this is what you focused and the result is 7.5 in writing. This is sort of unbelievable where people are struggling and they are not even getting 7 band. You achieved 7.5. This is truly remarkable. Anything else you want to share about your writing, how you reached there, what you did and all that?
Yeah, I believe that my writing was not bad earlier also, but I was not actually understanding the format of the IELTS writing examination.
Okay,
So that I was lacking. And this time I just understood the concept, like how the IELTS examiners mark the writing,
good.
because they have only the band descriptors.
Okay,
So they have to follow those. So they just categorize people on the basis of those band descriptors.
right.
So people need to be quite, they need to be familiar with those band descriptors, so that they force the examiner to award that particular band to them.
All right, all right. It's quite interesting. Very well. And what about speaking? This time, last time, what was your band score in speaking?
It was 7.
Okay. So again, you maintained the same band score. What happened this time?
Yeah, this time the examiner was really good. I
Okay.
would say, yeah, she was better than the last person, the
All
last
right.
time.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, she was very happy, and she was quite expressive, and at the same time she was encouraging, and her body language was quite good.
Okay. And you took your IELTS from IDP, right?
Yeah, this time also I took examination with the IDP,
All right.
but the first time I had a bad experience with British Council, because I got only a 6.5 in one of the module.
Okay. Okay. So, I mean, you think
Yeah.
IDP is better for Indian students?
I believe that IDP is better for Indian students, but that is only when you want to appear in the speaking test.
Okay. 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 For
Yeah,
speaking, they
yeah,
are better. Right.
yeah. Yeah, for speaking, if you want to get a 7 or more, you need to go to the IDP, because
Okay.
because most of their examiners are Indian actually,
All right, all right. That's good.
and they are also young.
Okay, that's great. So this is
Yeah.
something
And
good for the students.
yeah, if people want to get a good score in speaking, then they need to go for IDP, and if they want a good band score in writing, then they need to go for British Council.
Okay, but what about both? If they want good band score in speaking and writing both, then they cannot take two IELTS tests, one from IDP, one from British Council.
Yeah, that is the main problem. But yeah, in that case, you need to target 7.5 in each of them to get
Okay.
a 7.
All right. So overall, what advice would you give to my students who want to get 8,777 and they are not achieving that band score? What sort of advice would you like to give them?
Yeah, I would say that and want to give them advice that they need to be familiar with the test, and at the same time they need to involve themselves as much as possible in English. They need to immerse themselves in this language.
Okay, that's quite
So
important. Yeah, and
yeah, so before giving the test, they need to read English, write English, speak in English, and also listen to people talking in English. So
okay.
by doing this, they can easily score 8,777 in a matter of 2 or 3 months, provided their language ability is already good.
All right. That's fantastic. So
But
Tanvir,
yeah,
yes, please.
yeah,
Anything else you want to share?
yeah. But if people need to improve, then 8,777 is a really tough task. So that is the only reason that because a lot of people are going to Canada or want to go to Canada, Australia these days. So they need to set a certain criteria to take only those people that are really good at English, have a good command. So this is only their only motive is to find only those people who are good at English and who actually deserve that the status of that immigrant.
Okay. And by the way,
Yeah.
Tanvir, if my Indian students need your help, so will you be available for them?
I will be really glad if people want to give me the opportunity to actually teach them.
Okay, lovely.
But yeah, yeah, a lot of people had earlier they called me earlier also. I think they took my number from you.
Exactly.
And yeah, and they were seeking my advice to like how they can excel in writing and reading.
Good.
And I guided around 4 to 5 people, and 3 of them got their desired score in their next examination.
Wow, that's amazing. This is really fantastic. So, I mean, I can share your number with my students who are in India. And by the way, you are from Ludhiana, right?
Yeah, I am currently working at NCR, National Capital Region of India.
Right.
But my hometown is Saneval in Ludhiana district, and my hometown is village Bilga.
Okay, village Bilga, right. So currently where are you?
Yeah.
Like which city are you in now?
Yeah, I'm currently living in Gurgaon.
Gurgaon. Okay, okay. So whoever is in Gurgaon, Tanvir Singh is available there, right?
No, I am actually available at Punjab also.
Okay.
Because I would love to help people from Punjab.
Okay, okay. That's fantastic.
Because most of them are struggling with IELTS.
Right.
And I would be really happy to guide them.
That's
in their
great.
journey.
That's truly great. Tanvir, once again, congratulations, and I wish you all the best. And I'm really happy that you tried second time and you improved your band score. This is really remarkable and this is awesome. So Tanvir, thank you very much indeed. Any message you want to give to the students? Any final message?
I would like to tell people that IELTS getting 8777 in IELTS is actually a myth that a lot of people struggle with. And I just want to tell them that take it easy and immerse yourself completely in English language. That is the only way you can get 8777. There are no other options. If you want to achieve it, then you should work really hard towards that goal.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you very much, Tanvir. Take good care of yourself. Good night. Bye-bye.
Yeah, good night, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Wow. So this is Tanvir Singh and he got remarkable band score, 8.5 in listening, 8.5 in reading, 7.5 in writing and 7 in speaking. I truly wish him all the best, and if you need his guideline, his number is with me, so you can ask me and I can share his number and you can contact him directly, and he is a very nice guy. Definitely he will help you, he will guide you, he will help you through this IELTS, this IELTS procedure. So guys, all the best. I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.